It's a late morning. It's almost 12 and I just showered. Last night I actually slept super late at 2 because I was looking at home design and home decor inspirations. I was just like in my zone. So this morning I slept really late and Leo took the first shift with Dove. What that means is I need my coffee.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
I got my morning in. Dove is down for her nap right now. This means I can film my video.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I get sent so many products. These are some of my favorite products that I use my own money to repurchase. So I'm gonna start in the order of how I use these products. I have mastered my cleansing routine. So I always start off with a cleansing cream. There's actually two brands that I absolutely love. The first one that I'm currently using is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It melts your makeup, it's super smoothing, and it doesn't burn your eyes because I'm currently wearing waterproof pencil eyeliner. You know how tough those are to get rid of? It doesn't give you that oily film over your eyes like Vanilla Co does. Another one that I am obsessed with is Then I Met You Cleansing Balm. I believe they're the original cleansing balm that feels that great over your eyes when you are rubbing out waterproof makeup. Nothing can beat those cleansing balms. I've tried so many and those are the best. If you like something that doesn't have a lot of scents, I would skip the Glow Recipe and do that Then I Met You because Glow Recipe is heavy on their scents. I have dry combination skin and so many things claim to be non-stripping. Tried so many different cleansers, and to be honest, the best ones I've tried on the cheaper price point is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cleanser, cleanser for oily skin. For something that is more on the luxury price point, this is $48. I love the True Botanicals Renew Nourishing Cleanser. It removes my makeup and leaves my skin feeling so buttery soft, and also cleanses my skin without still leaving oily residue around my nose, because that area does get kind of gunky for me, especially with makeup. The active ingredients here are green tea, aloe vera, and green tea seed oil. These things help break down the makeup, but also replenishes moisture onto your skin. To me, it smells like a really luxurious, expensive spa experience. Fragrance is not your jam, then I'd skip this product and really just go with the CeraVe. An honorary shout out, it is the Somerville Exfolikate. It's definitely more on the pricier end. I'm throwing it in there because this is my go-to skincare cleansing routine. I use the Exfolikate about 3 times a week and it clears out all of the excess dead skin that I have from doing peels. It really makes my skin feel just as soft as my baby's. If you want to know my current cleansing routine, that product is an honorary shout out. I am disappointed that this brand is not talked about more. I don't know why people don't talk about this because I've gone through so many bottles of this. Allies of Skin Molecular Savior Probiotic Repair Mist. There are no toners that makes my skin absorb moisture so well. Anytime I don't include this in my skincare routine, I can tell the other products that follow up is not being absorbed as well unless I have this probiotic mist. If you're comparing to the SK2 Essence, Tatcha's Essence, until I've tried this, this trumps all of those highly raved, talked about products. Here are some active ingredients that are really good for your skin. They have 5% niacinamide, acai berry. If you have dry combination skin, this is really good for thirsty skin. The Ordinary is a brand that I feel like everyone loves. My favorite product from them is actually the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. Niacinamide is really great for helping you get a glowy complexion. It helps with the process of shedding old dead skin. And this is actually a really high strength vitamin. So I recommend working up to 10%. I gotta admit, the first couple times using it, there is a little bit like of a needle prickly feeling. That's how I know it's really working for my skin, but I've been using it for so long now. It doesn't do that anymore. I always recommend this product to my friends, and it changes my entire skincare routine. If I don't use this, I can tell my skin looks duller. Definitely want to add in your skincare routine if you want that glass skin, glowy skin look. I never realized that my favorite serums are both purple. I'm very particular with my serums, and I like serums. Not only hydrates my skin, but kind of gives me that tacky feeling when you first apply it, and when it dries, it feels like it has sunken deeply into your skin. Murad is definitely on the pricier end, and my God, Leo and I love this product so much. It's empty right now, and we've used and gone through probably 10 of these in our lifetime. And the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum is another hyaluronic serum that I interchange with. There's not much I have to say about hyaluronic acids, because hyaluronic acids are ingredients that you should always have in your skincare to rejuvenate and replenish your skin to make it look moisturized and bouncier. This is the product you want to have in your skincare routine before any moisturizers. When it comes to moisturizers, I've tried so many. Some of them leave your skin feeling kind of oily. Some of them, I don't know, I can just go on a list of how other products don't work, but I love my Roche Posay. You can actually buy this from Target. I love the packaging too, because you leave no product hanging at the bottom of the tube. You actually squeeze everything out. It is great for people with sensitive skin that is sensitive to fragrance. And this is one of those moisturizers that doesn't leave my skin feeling like a layer of oil. Oh my God, it really just seals everything in. Leaves my skin feeling so smooth. It almost feels like a moisturizing primer before you can put on your makeup. I finished this bottle 2 weeks ago, and I've been meaning to refill it in my system, but I have some moisturizers that I've used, and I just, you know what, I just want to get through with it. But every day when I use those moisturizers, I'm constantly thinking about this one, because it makes such a difference in my skincare routine. And this moisturizer does not give you that like shiny T-zone area for those with combination skin. If you're looking to try a new moisturizer, this one, if you believe skinfluencers on TikTok, and now you're hearing it from me, definitely give this one a go, especially if you have sensitive skin that needs moisture without that greasy feeling. I can't end a skincare video without talking about sunblock. This one is empty. I have 2 or 3 of these in reserve. This is a Beet Shield by Krave Beauty. Yes, it does have alcohol in it. I know a lot of people are so afraid of alcohol in their skincare. It's like a buzzword. Alcohol, fragrance, everyone just like, oh, this actually does a really good job. The type of alcohol they use is to make sure that it stabilizes this product so that the active ingredients are doing its job. So there are actually alcohols that are good in your skincare routine. If you want to challenge my thought process, definitely leave a comment below sharing your own experience with alcohol and skincare. But for me, it doesn't break me out. It leaves my skin feeling so good. And this is the only sunblock I've used that also doesn't give me that greasy feeling, and it's perfect under makeup. It has a silken finish to it. Super Goop is one of those sunblocks that everyone raves about on YouTube, but my whole thing Super Goop is that it feels like there's so much silicone texture to it, and I absolutely hate the way that feels, because it makes it feel like I have this film over my face. It's just not my vibe. But this one is just the right amount of smoothing without the silicone texture. And it's the right in between of not being oily, but also moisturizing my face. And it's one of my favorite. Also, a special shout out to the founder. 2 of my favorite brands are owned by fellow Asian women. You know, like if you want to support the Asian community, check out Krave Beauty too. They make really clean products with clean ingredients. Definitely check it out. Those are my top favorite products that I cannot live without. I keep repurchasing. Hi cutie, look at you. Wait. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.